continuing the inspection through the floor drain right here inside of the warehouse, trying to see if this will allow us to get into the main. Considering that the back-to-back Y inside of the restrooms did not, and they don't have a clean out in the restrooms. Alright, this connection here is the connection to the sink, the mop sink inside of the warehouse. This is also the connection for both toilets coming from the bathroom. So this is the branch line of the both bathrooms combined with all of the faucets attached to them, and we seem to be traveling along the main line right now. This is the new connection. As you can see, it's got very good flow. And then right after this connection is the line that goes down into the septic. The septic should be right around this area. Let's see. Right here. So as you can see, the septic is not full. and I'm going to try throwing some paper down the line and testing that it doesn't get stuck in the connection. Alright, so we flushed the ball of paper towels down the toilet to see where it would end up on the line. Um, I'm gonna start heading back on the main to try to see where that ended up. Alright, so as you can see, paper towels will back up the line. Even the water pressure won't be enough to push it through. So this is what we wanted to test in this line so everybody could see what the issue is with these lines. As you guys can see, the paper towel has successfully passed through the fitting that was installed, and through the piece of pipe that was eliminated. And I don't think that we should see it further down the line with the drop that we gave it. And let's verify that. And that's already the septic. So as it stands right now, except if the septic rises or if the drain fill is not working correctly, this line should have no further issues as a main. And the only thing that would cause an issue would be if somebody flushes an insane amount of paper towels down the line.